Hey everybody, in today's video, my buddy John and I are hopping in the Cardinal and we're flying over to Gaston's Resort in northern Arkansas. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Hope you enjoy the ride.
Alright, so let's see here. We're gonna take it. I got the plane now. Alright. I see the field down there.
Oh, you gotta go in this valley?
Yeah. Gaston's traffic. Cardinal 375 is 2 miles to the southwest. We're gonna fly the river inbound for landing. Runway 24, Gaston's. So the runway's just over here. So we're gonna kind of loop around here.
Alright, gotcha.
Alright, 10 degrees of flaps coming in. Gaston's traffic, Cardinal 375 is flying the river inbound for landing runway 24, Gaston's. Alright, I see those power lines up here. We're going to be above them. Good. Alright, we're going to keep it coming around. Alright, airspeed's good, flaps to 20. Gaston's traffic, Cardinal, short final, runway 24, Gaston's. Oh, full flaps. Alright, airspeed looks good. Runway's clear. The wind's kind of swirling around down here. Alright, power's set. Temperatures and pressures are green, airspeed's alive. And we're up. Bring the flaps to 10 degrees.
Well, thanks for hanging out with us today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you made it all the way through to the end, make sure you hit that like button and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you'll be up to date with when I upload new content. Remember guys, life looks better from the sky, and I'll see you in the next one.